Man, this is something. It's just a lot of buildup. We're doing a lot. I mean, we're doing a lot. But the first initial plan, the first initial deal was to beauty the outside, doing a 4-barrel carburetor, intake, headers, and it turned out I have a major things to do to take care of it. Look at this thing. Look at all this stuff on this thing. Many years of the oil not being changed. The crazy part is that we test the oil pressure. It was super high oil pressure, but obviously it wasn't enough. Look at the timing chain. Look at the slack in this thing. Whoopala. I mean, the worst thing, it was still running good. Like fire ups every single time. Every single time. Crazy, but we're gonna bring it back to life. Pretty and beauty. Pretty and beauty. Number 289 came out of the Mustang. It looks worse than what we thought. Transmission down the bench, ready to seal up. Just did a little reseal. And look at the engine. Everyone here and change the oil. That's great, all of that right there. Look. All of that. Good. We'll make it look pretty again. Dressing up the 289. Last time we were pulling the engine out, we went through kind of a fresh rebuild. It is 20 over, 10 over. They end up cutting the block, right? 20 over. And nothing, just been putting it back together. Doing the AC. We got the whole serpentine belt kit. New intake manifold. We got the new carburetor. We got headers. We got to cool. Make sure this thing stays at the right temp, or even lower than that. Well, not lower than that, but gotta stay cool. See what's what can happen next. Yeah. Got all the mess everywhere. Getting the rest of the stuff, the final touches. Not the final touches, a lot more stuff to go, but I still gotta pull the heater box, change the heater core, heater hoses, blower motor, and install the evaporator. That's gonna be fun on the other side of the firewall. What else? Yeah. Final measure the hoses, the AC. Measure hoses for the AC, measure hoses for the power steering, trying to cool the lines. A lot to do. A lot more to do. Get this thing going. Already makes a little pop, pop, pop. Yeah, already makes a little noise. So it's just gonna get recorded a little bit. Well, just let this thing right here. Yeah, me. That's me. Okay. Let me just. I'm gonna put this thing facing down here. Right. We should get some noise.
30 seconds.
30 seconds, yeah, come on. Yeah.
Very nice.
Woo!
Make some noise, make some stink.
That sounds good. Sounds really good.
I mean, tell everyone more.
What else? I mean, it runs. I'm happy right now. It makes some noise. Yeah, after all the time spending and then this and that and then cleaning, put it together, taking the engine apart, rebuilding it. We gotta check some oil leaks, which is we don't have nothing else to say. The timing is a little bit. I think it's a little bit. It's either too much because you can hear that thing is hesitating when it's trying to start. Fuck yeah. We can get it done and go for the next one. All right.
Woo! I mean, you did a wonderful job.
It's all back together. Yeah. It's all back together.
What do you think?
I don't know what to think about it.
Does it make you want a Mustang?
Yeah, why not, right? But I mean, it's lovely. It looked good. It came out pretty good. We spent quite a bit of time. Spent quite a bit of money, time, detail. I mean, I don't know. I don't want to call it detail. There's still some shit like this. I'm like, I should make a little bit something better.
Well, the customer before had no intentions of taking it out to car shows with the desire to open the hood, and now after, he kind of thinks he wants to, but definitely. Yeah, there's still more to do.
There's a lot more to do.
There's always more to do.
There's always more to do. But overall, I'm happy with the result that we accomplished on this thing right here.
I mean, he's got.
Look good. Sounds good. It drives good.
Oh, we didn't even show everyone. I think that y'all should check out that now it's got dual exhaust.
Yeah. Before it was the pipes that were hanging down here. We gotta take a little videos and little stuff like that, the detail.
Well, I mean
it's way better than it was.
I mean, it's as lovely as a Mustang as it can be. I mean, you did a real handsome job, bro. Really.
It looks good. It looks super good. It looks clean. paint. The paint is not us. It's not our paint, or we haven't even painted, but it look good.
Again, just what a great job, bro. See? Turning on the lights
Even
around
the
you.
light. Even the lights say, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh. Remember, everybody, if you got classic cars, give us a call. We love and care about classics. LV Classic Rods. Just missing the O and the E for love classic rods, baby.
One last walk around. Clean. No, we're making a lot of things to do it. We out of AC.